This is a story of the wildlife nature photography. Dillydale magazine is expecting pictures of birds and more birds. And so far all we have is a picture of your rear end. I would have moved out of the way if I knew you were taking a picture. We need to be taking pictures of birds. Where can they be? And maybe you didn't make so much noise that my patience has run out. Time for my secret weapon. And that would be my, my Bengal flamingo and pipe. Do you really think that? Wow. Hold that pose. It's a great shot. Say cheese. One more. You weren't smiling. I also promised the magazine a picture of the Great Cape Buffalo. Really, I mean, they're really big. You sure the magazine would be just as happy with the picture of a gerbil? No deal. If it's a buffalo they want, it's a buffalo they'll get. Time for my other secret weapon. Oh no. My two-toned bamboo buffalo bagpipe. Oh well. Too bad it doesn't work. Another great shot. Say cheese. I can't. I was talking to the buffalo. Hey. And now to get a picture of the rare great white alligator. Alligator, you didn't tell me we were looking for an alligator. Not just any alligator, the great white alligator. It looks like I'll have to rely on my secret weapon. Oh boy. And I'll aluminum alligator whistle. Mr. Noisy. Mr. Noisy. Mr. Noisy. Oh. Well, I don't think we are going to be seeing any alligators today. Mr. Bump.